Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to decrease the volume of background music in Adobe Premiere Pro. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Decreasing the volume of background music in Adobe Premiere Pro is a fundamental editing skill that can greatly enhance the clarity and professional quality of your videos. So the simplest method to decrease the volume of background music is by adjusting the audio levels directly on the timeline. This method provides quick control over the volume without needing additional effects or plugins. Now, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your PC. Click on the audio track containing your background music and the timeline panel. Then go to the Effect Control section on the left side panel. Find the volume and adjust the level to your liking. Make sure it has negative something, so I choose -11. Play the video to preview the audio mix. Continue adjusting until the background music is at an appropriate level relative to other audio elements like dialogue or narration.
And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.